Welcome back to the channel. Last minute decision last night. Come down to the States, see if they have any of the boulevards. I don't think we're getting them in Canada. Haven't seen them yet, and doesn't look like they're showing up. So, see if we can get 101 to 105 today. Maybe some other stuff, maybe some Japan Historics 4, I don't know. We'll see. See you inside. Shoo. Still got this guy hanging out. Got some side street in it. Doesn't look like anything new because of what's on the front, but you never know. Mustangs, Z's, and Lambos. Also got to remember to check for M2 shipper. That's nice and full. N case, I'm assuming. Oh yeah, M case. That looks really fresh, actually. What am I looking for? The M case. Got Porsche there, got Solero GT there. Kinkuda Sushi, and then older stuff behind. That's what we're looking for, or... oh, dropping everything. And another one. Is that the treasure hunt? I can't remember. Frick. It's too early. It's too early. Are I looking for a DeLorean? What am I looking for? Anyway, we'll come back to that. I guess it would be the Solero and the whatever. DeLorean. Definitely didn't see a DeLorean, but like there's so many Stratos, and maybe there's another bin or another display. I don't know. What else we got? Neon speeders, stars and stripes, Matchbox, Matchbox trucks, moving parts. Not looking ahead, not looking ahead. Fast and Furious. Anything? Yes. Full set. Definitely get some of this. That's a metal base on that guy. Awesome. So we got that. We got the Pantera. 350Z Custom. The Porsche. Another De Tomaso. Another 350. Did I see that already? Yes. Another Porsche and another Porsche. Cool. Actually have an Exotic Envy Porsche here. Haven't seen that here, so they're still getting Exotic Envy. So that's so much of it. And we got the Hollywood set here as well that we saw at the end of the last video. Hello. And that is gray paint. Team Transport leftovers. M2, need to look for the M2 shipper. Ooh, they got the Datsun. Oh, that would be sweet. Love this casting. So cool. That would be a nice one to find for me for sure. Well, it is a nice one to find as a main line, but it does not fit into the budget unless it is a chase. And some new Coke stuff, new to me. And that will be all the old stuff, I'm sure, back there. Looking at the ladders. The ladders are what are going to tell you on them Pez. That's the easiest way. Easy to get confused with the colorful wheels. Kind of anodized wheels. And some more up here. That looks like a fresh pack. Fresh sets. That's cool. That Volkswagen set in the green. Very neat. And then we got a dually with that not nice Corvette. And one more of those down there. And no chases. I got black and pearl. Haven't seen that yet. These are nice, but I bet. Yep, the Midnight Express missing. Which makes sense. They're okay. Not as nice as I was hoping they would be. And stuff old. These are nice. That is really nice. If it wasn't Maui and Sons. Cool. Cuda. And there goes more. And a Mercury Custom. Oh, happy to find it. Oh my God, Eric. The Fast and Furious set. For sure. You don't belong there. I don't know where you are. Right there. What else here? Blazer. And a Bronco. Some more Coke. Seen that set at home. And some of these guys. Auto World. So. Fast. What's in there? Tech decks. And a couple of exotic envies. You are the color you are. Okay, let's take a peek around for the Coke Christmas shipper. Check the holiday aisle, I suppose, if they have one here. And I'm going to take another quick peek through that, but I don't know when I should come here. I'm kind of thinking that maybe I should come at night one night. See what's going on at night around here. So I always feel like when I come here, there's like just almost fresh, you know what I mean? Like that's like everything but. So maybe they're everything's picked through at night. I don't know. Anyway, take a peek around. If I find a shipper, I'll obviously show you. But for now, I'll take these guys. Am I missing something from there? Pantera, Skyline, the Impala. So there's no Impala. And there must be only one of those per case. Okay, cool. Found a DeLorean. And then I guess because they have... No, I didn't see N. No, that is N. So that is NL. I'll be looking for... N. Yeah, okay, just looking for DeLoreans. Not the white Transit. So there's two of those. So I think it's a fresh case. Just a dud because Solero is there. We got one DeLorean. Maybe there's two cases. Maybe there's another DeLorean hanging out. Performance Supervan, not Transit. M3 wagon. Okay, anyway, grab that DeLorean. Because it is going to be tough, and it seems that at home we're moving on from this case, and people have been finding P-case. So, since I missed all the dump bins, yeah, grab that nice DeLorean and move along now, for real, maybe. Unless I find a shipper.
11 South.
So the M2 shipper is there. Well, I'm sure it's there. It says that they've got 24 in the back room, but they didn't want to bring it out for me. I might stop by here later today, see if they're bringing it out.
Head north toward US 11 South.
To Potsdam. Potsdam now. And leftovers. That's not gonna be anything. God, the music is crazy here. It's too early for this. Ooh, they got speed graphics. But there's no Civics. That's cool though. I get that RX3. I like that. That's cool. And we got new Matchbox. I just saw last night. That's really cool, that Morgan. Last night just saw the new Super Chase for next year is going to be an Audi R8, which I am very excited about. What else do we got here now, though? Fast and Furious. Ooh. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So is there an Impala in this one? 350Z, 350Z, Porsche. There it is. We'll pick that up, complete the set. Awesome. Metal base on that guy too. That's cool. Sorry, I gotta just keep talking with this music. Unfortunately, no boulevards. No, what we're looking for, you know what I mean. There's boulevards, but not what we're looking for. A bunch of Porsche. And what else do we have here? Oh, love it. I don't think that was here last time I was here. And this music is ridiculous. Pez, we've seen. What are you from? One Black and Pearl. Frozen Black Pearl. Nice majorettes. And nice Porsche. Thanks. And these guys. No chase on the Maui and Sons V-dub. That's a nice Camaro. Hard to see them. Johnny Lightnings look pretty full, but they also look pretty the same. Like a bunch of the same ones, and missing one or two from each set here, it seems. Auto World. Some red guys that are supposed to be red. And a bunch of leftover pop culture. Lotus Spree, Aston Martin, nothing I'm looking for. Hollywood set. Got a couple here. Silver, silver, and I think that's it. Oh, maybe I should be. Do they get the Fleet Street here? Or is it just Target that would get the. I've never seen that. SpongeBob? Just fantasies. What was I saying? The Fleet Street, whatchamacallit? Optimus Prime. I don't know if that's a Target exclusive here. Okay, that's it. I'm gonna move along and actually check for the M2 shipper first and then move along. Well, here's something that I've never seen, is the M2 Christmas ornaments. Wow, they're so destroyed. Well, the packaging anyway, outside. Moon Eyes vans. Dodge trucks. That's cool. Buick. Let's check out the Shell. Shell dualies. OBS. Who has a chase in this? 6400 for Moon. Where's the marking for this one? That side, 66 something. I mean, they've obviously been gone through, so I wouldn't be finding one if there was one. Those are cool Mustangs. And a Dodge doesn't indicate a chase. Whoa, guys. Relax. Buick. Nice. Sorry. A little awkward. It's too bad that the cases are all messed up. I guess the front ones are good. But yeah, I guess there's no chase on any of these. I don't see anything, any indication. Unless there's one that I'm not seeing. I don't think so. Buick, Dodge, Shell, and the Moon Eyes, and none of them indicate that there's a chase. If you know any better, let me know. How much are these? $24.97. That's out of my price range. Maybe Canadian, that would be fine, but not American. All right, cool. I'm still gonna look for that. The Coke shipper asked a guy to check, and it seems that they have received, but doesn't know where it is. So I'm gonna try to find the Christmas section and see if it's there. I think I'm at the wrong side of the store. Anyway, if I find it, I'll show you. And if I don't, we'll move on. How about that? Found it. Definitely not gonna find a chase in that. There's another one down there. Well, anyway, let's look through them. Very nice. Just like last year, but a dually, same livery. Well, they're usually the same, right? For the Christmas, they don't really change that much. Mustang Combi, Grand National, Challenger, Grand National, and that beauty. That thing is so cool. But I won't be picking anything up here today. I can wait and not, you know, use this against my import budget. Unless there were a chase, then obviously I would be picking that up, but I can wait to buy these back home. So maybe we can get lucky and go back to what's it called later, and they'll be bringing it out. Anyway, moving on to Ogdensburg, I guess. Yeah, there's a third also gone through. Well, like, you know, I'm not complaining, and I'm not surprised. But that's crazy. They got 3 of them. I bet somebody had a really good day. 3 of them, you got to get at least one, right? Okay, moving on. Ogdensburg. Ooh, TerraTrack. TerraTrack. 21515251254. All right. Well, definitely late on that. What is missing? Got a Jeep Gladiator, a Hummer. Missing the Datsun King Cab completely. So we'll look through them anyway. Pajero Evo, Land Cruiser. That one's nice. I like that. Jeep Gladiator, and a Hummer H1. Hummer H1 doesn't look that bad, actually. Not gonna get any of that, actually. I might get that. I might. And that's an old wave. Jay Leno's. And a bunch of Auto World. I would assume that if those are gone like that, there's not going to be anything too interesting here. So nice. nice in here without music blaring. And older M2 Coke stuff. I guess because you don't fit, that's why you're there. Fanta van. Some lifts. Same stuff. Something good up there. One Auto World. Bunch of Mario Kart and Star Wars. So it could have been a good day here, potentially, if I were here earlier. All that Terra Trek. One, two, three, four. 1, 2. Missing a square body. Ground pounders. And leftover car culture. Okay. Not that exciting, unfortunately. Neon speeders and these guys with no civics. Didn't see that one last time. Big Air, Bel Air. Actually, I didn't look through them properly at all. Range Rover Classic. 914. I like it. I like it. And the RX3. And all we're missing is that EK9. So if all that is like that, then I don't think we'll find anything, y'all. C'est pas vrai. A case still on the pegs. A. Possibly B case. I guess I could check. But I'm not going to. So don't ask me to. Okay? And no DeLorean and no Solero. End case. Cool. Missing anything? Neon speeders. We've all seen them. A couple Porsches there. A bike. Mystery models that we've seen. Alright, let's look for an M2 Coke shipper. How about that? Do I want any of the Terra Trek? I don't think so. I think I can wait on that, and if I don't see it, it's not the worst thing. It's really the only one that I'm interested in. And the Datsun, yeah. I want the Datsun too. Actually, I want the Land Cruiser too. Damn it. Damn it, Hot Wheels. Just stop it. Oh, there's a Datsun 124 up there. There's 2 Datsun 124s up there. There's 3, there's 4. I want to check that out. Hold on. I can't find anybody to help me with this. So, is it? Watch that back, see if you guys saw it, Chase. No dice. Asked in the seasonal about the M2s, doesn't seem that they have any. Their inventory shows 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Makes sense. Probably a 10th somewhere, or one missing. Anyway, move along. I guess Messina. Let's go. The Dollar Tree.
Yeah. Well, he gave me, told me he recommended that one. You should try next time instead.
And L case. Last time I was here, they had L case as well. H case. M case. Okay. M case. H case. A little bit of everything. Not a good sign. Mm-hmm. Some good cards. Wouldn't that be nice for me? Haven't seen it in so long. But yes, nothing we are looking for. Okay, moving on. Walmart. Let's go. Set Messina now. P case. P case. Last time there was a bunch of stuff lined up, and then they put another one on top, but I don't think that's the case this time. I don't think I'm gonna get lucky and pull a super out like last time. G, L, D, L, P, a little bit of everything. Went by the seasonal section, and no M2 there, no Christmas shipper. Neon speeders, same. And that gentleman had some what's it called? Slide Street. And they got new boulevards here, not the old ones. Darn it. Full sets though. 1, 2. 2 of each of the popular ones. Who got up there? Ooh, Mandalorian. Sweet. Not. Alright. Something else maybe? Maybe not. Oh, I guess they do have it somewhere. Or they're just stocking from the shipper. Or maybe they put it out and most of it's gone. Maybe this, maybe that, who knows? Maybe stop talking about it. Anybody want a speed racer? It's only 25 here. I guess that's that. It's about that time of day where I get getting a little loopy. A little loopy after that many kilometers. None of the new Datsun here. That's a nice one. Nice and simple. All right. I don't need any of the boulevards. Silver paint. Silver paint. Silver paint. Whoa, I got a lot here. Silver paint. So, what to do, what to do, what to do, what to do. I want to go to Ollie's. And I also want to go back to Malone maybe and see if they're gonna bring out that M2 display. Anyway, I'll sort my stuff out and see where I see you. Something new to me, cartooned. Interesting. Don't get what the fuss is about, personally. It's kind of neat. I suppose. Not for me. Right. That's where he got the slide straight from. Cool. Ain't gonna be nothing in there special. But they're fun to go through. Pull the card out, put the card out, pull the car out, put the car in. Moving on. So Ollie's, and missed the party here, I guess, with the Hot Wheels premiums. All that's left is a bunch of Defenders. It would have been cool to get a Super and an M5. An M5 would be awesome, because I love that one. Love that M5 casting. But late, obviously. Johnny Lightnings are probably all leftovers from ages ago, and the music's too loud to do much without talking over it constantly. So, yeah, that's it. That's Ollie's. It's at Big Lots. I got a whole section. Haven't seen that guy in a while. Maybe I should have stopped at the last one that I saw. $3.49. Taint cheap. And that seems to be it. So move on. Stopping into Huntington on the way home. Looks like the right time, but the wrong stuff on the cart. Unless I went back to Malone to see if they were moving anything around, and no help. Didn't bring that M2 out, but it was funny. So I went back to the diecast section. I should have filmed it, but went back to the diecast section, and there were, I think, like 8 or 9 of the Subaru WRX from the All-Star sets. So I guess somebody did a big return of stuff that they couldn't get rid of. They must have got so many there. And nothing here that we're looking for. But yeah, it was fun. Good trip. Oh, this is the right case to have something that we'd be interested in. But it ain't here, is it? You see that guy, you know you're looking for a Ford GT Super Chase. Alright, well, that's going to do it for the video. Thank you so much for watching. That was a lot of fun, really good day. And yeah, check me out on Whatnot, sign up with my link for a $15 credit. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. And see you at the next hunt, which is probably going to start in Valleyfield right after this. Thanks again for watching. See you at the next one. Bye.